In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a new property in a Google Analytics account. Start by going to Google Analytics and landing on the Analytics homepage. Make sure you are signed in to the correct Google account, because properties are created inside the account that is currently active. At the top left, look for the Account and Property Selector area. Click that drop-down so you can confirm you are working in the right place before you create anything new. Next, go to the Admin area. From the left-hand navigation, click Create. This is where Google Analytics lets you add new items like accounts and properties. In the Create menu, select Property. Choosing property is important because a property is where your website or app data will actually be collected and reported. Now you will be on the property creation screen. In the first field, type the name for your new property. Use a clear descriptive name that you will recognize later, especially if you manage multiple sites or brands. For example, you might include the site name and the environment, like production or staging, if that applies to your setup. After naming the property, continue through the setup by clicking the on-screen Next or Continue option. You will then see additional configuration sections to complete. Follow the prompts and click through the highlighted options to proceed. When you reach the Industry category section, open the list and choose Arts and Entertainment. This helps Google Analytics tailor certain reports and comparisons to a relevant benchmark, so pick the closest match available. After selecting the Industry category, continue again using the highlighted Next option. Next, you will choose your business objectives. Select Drive Sales, then move forward. After that, select Understand Web and/or App Traffic, and continue. These objective selections guide the default reporting experience and recommended features, so choose the options that match how you plan to use analytics for this property. Continue through the remaining prompts by clicking the highlighted buttons until you reach the final confirmation. When everything looks correct, click Create to finish creating the new property. Once it is created, you can move on to setting up your data stream and installation later. But for now, your new Google Analytics property is successfully added to your account, and that is all there is to it.